Okay, today we're going to be looking at how to replace a battery on a 2014 BMW X1. Okay, so the battery is in the trunk of the car. So what you got to do is lift up this first, take it off. When you take it off, you're going to have this. And this is like more storage. But what you got to do, there's a little hole right here. And lift this up also and take it off. So you take that off, the battery's going to be there. So we actually got to take this little crossbar there. So we're going to take that off first. And then we'll just unhook the bolts that it has there. Has a little wire kind of with a little plug in there, just holding it in place. Okay, so it has that little thing in place there. What I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna move it out of the way. Okay, so first you gotta take this one off, and then you press that clip and this one over here, and then you grab it from down here and it comes off. First we gotta take that bolt off. Okay, now that's off. It should come out. Okay, so after you take that off, this bolt, then you just take these two sides off, and this comes out. Okay, so this powers the inside. So you just remove this out of the way, and then you got your negative and your positive to take off. Got our negative off. Just move it out of the way. We can take out the positive. This one, gonna have to open it there. And I think that it should come off. Okay. Let's see. And now you got your battery exposed. And all we're gonna do with this, okay, excess cable here. We're just gonna unplug it from here. Okay. Shouldn't have any fluid. So there is one more bolt down there. You see it? Right down there. Right there, that one, the gray one. Now you gotta take off, so I'm gonna have to get a little extension to get down in there. Because the battery won't come out. Okay. Once you got it completely loose, you gotta stick your hand down in there. Take it out. It's a little bracket to hold the battery in place. Once you got it out, comes right out. Alright, went to the parts store and I got a battery. They didn't have the same one. The original one comes from Germany, but I got this one. 3-year warranty. Alright. So we're just gonna do the reverse of what we did. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. Just gonna drop that in there. Now that it's in there, do everything in reverse order. Start with this. Okay. Okay, this one here goes in here. However, because it has a little hole right there, I left that piece at the auto parts store with my old battery. So I'm gonna have to go back to the auto parts store and get that little piece off the old battery. I didn't realize that this one didn't have it. Okay, it's like a drainage line. I'm assuming it's for the acid. So I'm gonna have to run back and get it, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off and then go and get it. But y'all, whenever y'all take the core battery or the old battery back, remember to take that piece off, okay, before you turn it in, before you get the new one. I'm gonna connect a piece. Okay, make sure it's nice and snug. Okay, nice and snug. I'm gonna do this one. So this little one here. Alright, that looks nice and snug. Okay. Now we're gonna put the cover on. Alright. Okay, last but not least is this last piece here, the bracket. So this piece here, it actually goes the opposite direction, okay? And it goes like that, okay? See that little groove right here on this foam? That's where it goes in right there, okay? So the little button is sticking up, okay? Now we can put it in. Pretty simple, not too complicated. That's pretty much it. That's how you replace a battery on a 2014 BMW X1. And I'm sure there's similar years or models that are the same. This battery's in the back of the car. It's not in the front. It's in the back in the trunk. Okay. All right. So thank you for watching. If you would please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.